If you dey look me koro and you dey hear me whine, I be say you turn that gidigba on top of the chairman television station Wazobia TV on top Star Times channel 195. We dey talk am. Say every weekday from 10 to 11 don turn to Christmas. Sake of say all the topic where they come on smoke inside the Nigerian political arrangement, we dey drop am, talk am as e dey hot, so that those wey the matter concern go take the necessary action to move our country forward. My name na Ezogo Chokwode, and as usual, I no dey alone inside studio. I dey with my brother wey sabi well as e take concern politics matter as e dey hot.
Good morning, beautiful viewers. Yes, we don't go the holiday, we don't come back. For those of now, we get holiday to go. But for those of us with the studio, our holiday now today do waiting to the information and they give an update on the political activities where they happen for Obodo Nigeria. We don't carry come today again. Today we start up a fresh week and it no go different from the regular ones. We'll give now informations where at least we happen over the weekend. Interesting stories, and we also know say when that time comes for us to also talk to now, for not to also chook, but now go talk to us when we open our phone line. My name never stay changed. My name now Unkubi and this now as it hot.
As Unkubi take talk about holidays, we go start all the action story wey happen for weekend with one very sad story, and this one now from all the way for Obodo Mecca inside Saudi Arabia. Everybody knows say Mecca na the holy land and the most holiest of sites when it comes to the religion of Islam. Why we want discuss this story na sake of say everybody knows say e get one stampede, that is people dey waka push themselves, climb people when happen inside Mecca, and e get some Nigerians wey kpai for the accident. Over 700 people now lose their lives for that accident wey happen for inside Mecca. And from the confirmation when the National Hajj Commission of Nigeria don carry come, they talk say about 54 Nigerians na im kpai. They don confirm say these ones them don kpai for that accident wey happen for inside Obodo Mecca for Saudi Arabia. They go also talk say some people still dey lost, but they don set up search party to go find these people. Our prayer now say those people when we say they won't go perform holy ritual, then by say may God accept their soul. Those ones when they lost, as our search party don't go and say they won't find them, may God let them find them. And the families of people when we say they lost and don't buy, may God give them the comfort so that they don't go cry too much.
Yes, and the next story we'll get for Nana, one issue, one happening will happen on Friday we just passed, where we hear say Boko Haram Jaguda people, that is suspected and Boko Haram Jaguda people, then do it and they carry their regular attack, go launch for the DSS, and that is the Department of State Service office where they Kogi State. We hear say this attack then carry out at about 10:20 p.m. for night. Now then carry themselves, enter there, go do it, go invade. I also hear say somehow say they release some prisoners where those people get for custody. And in the course of all this, say at least 4 people die. Out of these 4 people where they say 3 now the Jaguda people. Why one police mobile police officer? Yeah, from that one we go also enter the another attack where we hear say where the Jaguda people they call Boko Haram carry out for Adamawa State. We hear say then do it, then carry out attack for that is then touch 60 houses, about 60 houses for different villages. And what will be the name of these villages? Sabongeri, and we also get a Kafin house. We also can get Duse bill for this thing for Madagali local government for inside them Adamawa State. And now waiting about Jaguda people now. The activities then carry out over the weekend be that.
From the Jaguda people story, we go another story when they say somehow now mixed feelings the thing they give us. We not happy, but we happy. We not happy because of say the matriarch of the Awolowo dynasty, that is the mama went tanda gidigba of the Awolowo dynasty, don't go join Baba God for heaven. And we dey happy say she live long and she don't pass down so many of the experience and things when she know give some of our elders for we society when then go use to move our country forward. But this important story get to do with what in the Ogun State government where she come from. Don't come and talk say then go immortalize her. What it be immortalize? To immortalize not to look say all the good work when this person don't do, the better character when he show, the better behavior when the person, I go speak English, exhibit. We go carry the thing, put for up, make the whole world they see am, make children when they go born, they go see am to know say better behavior if they get reward, better character if they get reward. Not be only just to get plenty money, not be only just to marry plenty wife, not be only to build big house. If you good better behavior, show am and everybody see you say, this behavior na correct, this behavior na baba, na something wey be say everybody suppose learn from. And the governor of Ogun State, Governor Ibikunle Amosu, don talk say this one when they wan do na to set very big example so that generations unborn go remember say yes, e get one woman wey be say she come this country and she do plenty things for our country, make everybody dey learn from am. That one get to do with the story of the late Chief H.I.D. Awolowo, the grand matriarch of the Awolowo clan.
Yes, we be very much aware. Say our president, that is Oga Muhammad Buhari, carry waka enter New York for the 70th United Nations General Assembly, where they take place for that place. And in the course of that visit, you can't get different meeting with different Ogbonge people. And recently, just yesterday, Oga President talk saying, look, say if nothing, say the issue of NNPC matter, where would they talk and say we look into? If nothing, say we don't forget about them. Far. We never forget about them because Oga President don't talk say very soon, soonest say they go do it. They will start up. They will start to do it to look into the trials of those people where they say he loot NNPC money for the past administration. And then they talk this with in one meeting where he hold with China President will be Xi Jinping. Now there he talk this and do say. Anybody they feel say yes, so say we don't forget NNPC matter, and the people who say they steal money there during the last administration say, make that go find water, wash now eye clear, because we never forget that. We are still going to revisit that issue and bring out people who they involved very soon. From our Oga Presido be that.
Still on the travel of Oga Presido to the United Nations General Assembly, some people don't come back and they talk say, he be like say travel down the sweet our Oga Presido. When me say no, they forget some of the promise when he promise. They come they draw here, they give and say, Oga, you talk say before the end of September, you go name your ministers. But the way when they check out now, September don't they finish and the talk person of Oga Presido, Oga Femi Adesina come and say, we have not forgotten. He said make everybody cool their temper, make their blood stop to the heart, sake of say September never finish. He even carry in calendar show people say what is today's date, look at today's date, September never finish. Say in there very sure if he beat in chest say until September when we say now 30th the last day until the thing clock 12 for midnight when we're going to celebrate October 1st, say anything can still happen. Say Oga Presido know what thing they do, make everybody just calm down. They are all not to believe in Oga Presido and know say that he go name in ministers as he don't promise he go name them for September. After that one, we will come look the final story for today. And that one get to do with the All Progressives Congress. Everybody knows that for this year, 2 elections they come for front. The election for inside Bayelsa State and the election for inside Kogi State. But it can't be like say the one for Bayelsa, especially as it get to do with APC, say the thing get K-leg. Why? Everybody knows that before election proper, before the person will go fly the flag of the party come out, they go do primary. And the election when we say the APC do for inside the state onto their primary, it be like say the thing not straight. Make we break them down. The head of the election committee, Governor of Edo State, Comrade Adams Oshiomhole, he talk say on the day of the primary election, say I see Pepe. He need to apply old man sense. Tell them say he won't go chop before he escape because they're ready to naked down for that place. He can't they blame one person. Former governor of Bayelsa State, Timi Preyesiva, say na Timi Preyesiva boys. Now then come on do that bad thing for there. Timi Preyesiva come look and come finish, come to say, Comrade Adams Oshiomhole, say he be like say this okra soup when you dey chop too much, e don dey make your mouth dey draw. Say you don dey talk wetin you no sabi. Say Comrade Adams Oshiomhole, monkey hand dey inside the arrangement because he dey support one person. I go talk am. He say Comrade Adams Oshiomhole dey support one of the person when we say wan become governor as against wetin Bayelsa people want. Say he no go gree. He come and come talk say they do the primaries but na him win am. Comrade Adams Oshiomhole come talk say which win you win? Who give you certificate of return? Say you are only deceiving yourself. But the National Working Committee of the APC don decide say they won't settle the matter once and for all. So today, this evening on Monday, they go meet. But we hope say this wahala no go begin to show cracks inside the APC.
Now state on me that and they go resolve them.
State waiting.
State.
Bayelsa. Who could be, you know the significance of Bayelsa in this election. You know why? Because our former president come from Bayelsa State, and the APC don't beat their chest talk say if they win the Bayelsa election, he go sound.
Wait till you take end this matter now.
Wait till I take end down.
Wait till you take end that say APC say they go do it, then go resolve the matter.
When be the date of the election?
It is not.
And they don't already declare.
Concern you. So
if somebody declare himself winner for election,
as long as they go meet together, they say okay, see, we go resolve this matter. Then go resolve it. So it can be your own. Why not just leave it? But make we wait till the day run out. Tomorrow, if they don't resolve it, if they don't find solution, then if you they make noise,
we continue to they make noise before these people throw this country into confusion.
They will not.
Why some politicians they desperate for power? Why they desperate for power? Party talk say they set up committee when go oversee the election. Why one man go come and talk say even though the committee chairman no dey there, they still do primaries and people confirm say they do am and he talk say na him win am.
And what if the primary no hold that maybe in the course of the distance one or two issue happen maybe based on as other people they talk and say e no too clean to the point that Oga Adams Oshiomhole even look himself going take this thing clean your eye say if you no come out here now say gbege fit happen wey take sneak out say one go chop come sneak out wey take run wetin make it wetin say fit problem.
Is this what you want to give to Nigerians? Sneaking out party.
It is not. But
sneaking out party. Sneaking out party. Dodging party. Hiding party. Confusion party. Primaries. Simple primaries. No unity at all. Is this what we are talking about? Desperate politicians. And they talk for here say some people not just power. When PDP lose the election, people say, hey, we surrender. They run from PDP, run enter APC, say, we have seen the light. They say they don't see the light. Now see the confusion when on the happen. Who could be desperation? Let's tell Nigerians, let Nigerians know.
We don't hear.
Never you cut me.
Don't you tell me not to cut you? What do you mean? You just they talk, just they look, just they raise hand up from just they raise hand. Who can wait? The hand where they raise up, you won't answer question. Where can they raise hand? Don't you ever cut me? I ask you question, where you won't answer. Don't you ever raise that your hand to me?
Ukubi, let me warn you. I go talk and 3 times. Let me warn you. If I they ever they postulate, I go speak English. If I they ever they postulate, no ever tell me say you don't do. I don't notice this thing every Monday now like this you they do. Any story where concern you they won't make with they jump and quick they go another story.
Chukudi.
But you will not escape this one today. You will not escape this
Chukudi.
one. Don't call my name.
Chukudi.
Don't call my name.
You don't do.
Don't call my name.
And the other stories, mind yourself, oh. You don't pick on me. What can I do now?
I take pick on you. I'm picking on the story. Why the story they pay you?
If you are picking on the story, why not just pick on the story and let's move on? Must you always time say, okay, Nkobi, react to this. What is the meaning of that?
Not be 2 of us there yet.
It's not the tone they use. I don't like the tone.
Which one be tone? Which one be tone?
Respect yourself here. Respect yourself here. It is a Monday morning, just as you said. We don't go celebrate with our Muslim brothers and sisters. This thing. I think say that spirit of unity. We go take and come here. Call they address this matter. We will address them. Respect yourself. Respect yourself.
For our village, they know they use left hand point person.
Chukudi, either way.
For our village, they know they use right hand.
Respect yourself.
You are using 2 hands to point at me.
Respect yourself.
You are doing this sign to me. You know what this thing means?
Respect yourself.
You respect yourself too.
I don't tell you. Enter if you get another story.
Talking about our Muslim brothers and sisters. We go leave this APC story because we dey hope say they no go cause problem for this country. Can't go into the tragedy wey happen for faraway Mecca.
Yes. So.
This one don show say bad things no be only for Nigeria e dey happen. E dey happen for different parts of the world. But e dey very very important say make we dey very very careful. Because person when we say him go the Holy Land go perform one of the 5 pillars of Islam. And as he can't go perform am, he no come back to him family. The thing dey very very bad. Virtually every time we hear of casualty
for annually, yes.
Just this particular incident where people they go throw stone to the devil. This symbolic act when we say people they carry. Now the question we go ask we say, which things this country don't put in place to use ensure say people when come fulfill something when they obligatory and mandatory for their religion, they no go lose their lives. And now the thing don't cause problem now because the supreme leader for Iran don't begin to talk say make Saudi Arabia issue apology say they set up this setup.
But Chukudi, basically just as you talk, okay, we know say annually people they travel go Mecca, go observe this normal right, this religious right. But then just as we just talk now, at least make the, if not something they go need to organize well on the ground. Say, okay, we know how people they plenty read. Okay, make we restrict the numbers of people who they come in for this thing.
Very
so
true.
that we know say yes, at least we go fit provide security based on the security platform we don't get in place. So that at least we're not going to hear issues because like just like say this now like the worst in the history. I'm not going to start in the history, but for a very long time,
for about 25 years.
This is not the worst
For
tragedy
about
that don't
25
happen
years.
for this annual this way.
Exactly.
Where they get a casualty of about 760 something deaths, starting from the crane way fall to that annual and this thing.
And some people still they miss so. Some people still they miss.
So they never still see. You understand? And the height, the level of injuries that people also sustain, they where be say even they very huge. So the people where they in charge should do it. Make them look into the matter and know, say, okay, if these things are things where they happen annually, waiting will fit do because Saudi Arabia is a strong country now. Where we say that at least they're supposed they well organized. Waiting will fit put in place. So I should say, okay, we're not going to see this kind of begins. Make it take place because this thing now something of joy to say one go observe one kind of religious right.
True.
But then you can't go there. You come see a tragedy. Go they meet. I mean, people will leave their family house for house and will come the event. In the end, if they don't see them again, they will say, what will happen? If we say we know, if we not send our papa or our mama or our brother go this kind of thing.
Very
so
true.
The government in place should do it. Make them know how they will take strategize, put things in ground where we say, okay, if not the numbers now they consider what they come in annually, make now work on that. If there are other things, measures, when our fit take expand the security, make sure say people know go they pie. Make now also drum. I mean, this is bad.
And this one, they're very, very important to us because of, say, we don't begin to place value on the Nigerian life. Gone are the days when we say people go die, whether they die for Nigeria or they die outside Nigeria. So long as they be Nigerians, the thing go pain us because you don't come out from our population be that. And people, when they add value to this country, you don't come out from them. So they also talk, say, may the government of Saudi Arabia carry out proper investigation, make them feel learn to put certain things down so that people no be say they go they buy anyhow. We go leave that story, can't go on to the very important one where happen for inside Ogun State. When the Ogun State government don't come and talk, say, the late chief HID Awolowo, the matriarch of the Awolowo clan, and the wife of the late sage, Pa Obafemi Awolowo, say they go immortalize her. This one don't show, say, for this world, not be about the money where you make, not be about the money where you spend, now about
good
you live on character,
ground. Exactly.
you live on ground.
Yes.
And for the Ogun State government to take this one, look, say, they won't teach the people of Nigeria, say, he get one woman when we say she come, even though she be woman. No, he say our society and society when we say women, sometimes, go be like say women, they not to get power, they not to get mouth. She still do what she supposed to do, she behave well. As a mother, as a wife, as person when we say an icon and figure for the society and even for Nigeria, she play her role well. And we dey very, very happy. Say the Ogun State government on the side say they want immortalize this woman. And we can't they draw air, give people when they outside. When things say everything about government not to chop money, when things say everything about to be big man for Nigeria, not to the carry people, carry money, go outside this country, carry your children, go study abroad. Can't they leave people they suffer here? When I don't see them now, will you be immortalized when you go? Now, simple question when I go leave me the answer.
HID Awolowo, now woman will say where she come, she saw, she conquered. I mean, when I mean she saw, even
Uncle, wait, I beg, I think go beg you. No make mistake if you dey speak English. Now pidgin English program be this. HID now somebody wey he come, he came, he saw, he come. Talk am for pidgin, no make mistake.
I don't hear now. HID now woman will say when she then born am, she enter this world, say this world. Now we get am together, and I go do things wey be say people go respect me for. She come take eye, see all the challenges, different challenge wey dey there. Mario Oga Awolowo even stand with am, and even when he get issue, go prison, come out, go prison, come out. Even come still stand, come see those issues, come see those challenges. Even still stand with them and show say yes, my husband, I go dey represent you. They go. The husband quiet. Down the line, after like how many years, he still dey strong. They represent. They represent. So what again you want? I mean, what again Nigerians want? I mean, these are the kind of people who will say yes. We will say if they look their lifestyle, look their past, we will not say yes. These are people who will say we supposed to learn from.
Very true.
We don't show some legacy. We say
I just happy as you respect yourself. retract that English where you been when be hard you because I know this I see your eye water don't almost come out your mouth they shake go say HIV he came he come he saw he
wait till me that no don't abuse me.
Make we go break come back.
If na English I dey speak English.
I know but that one you make mistake make we go
come back. No they insult my English.
You make mistake you make mistake which one go break come back.
She came she saw she conquered.
She
mind yourself you are attacking.
If una know say una just enjoy the video they wanna just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.